Have you ever wanted to control your dreams, to be fully aware that you're dreaming and actually direct the experience? Imagine what you could do if you had the power to shape your dream world, fly, revisit past memories, or explore entirely new dimensions. The good news is, achieving this isn't some distant fantasy. Lucid dreaming isn't just for seasoned experts or mystics, it's a skill that anyone can master, starting as soon as tonight. The techniques you're about to learn are designed to help you become lucid fast, with methods that work for beginners and seasoned dreamers alike. But here's the catch: most people don't even realize how simple it can be to wake up in their dreams. In fact, what if I told you the ability to lucid dream is already inside you, just waiting to be unlocked? With a few tweaks to your nightly routine and a little bit of practice, you can slip into that state of heightened awareness where the dream world becomes yours to command. Forget spending months trying to figure it out. Tonight might be the night where everything clicks, and you'll experience the freedom of a lucid dream. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of lucid dreaming, keep reading. These techniques are straightforward, practical, and, most importantly, they work. Whether it's your first time hearing about lucid dreams or you've been trying for a while with little success, this guide will show you how to make tonight the night where everything changes. Are you ready to unlock the door to your dream world? 1. Wake back to bed method. The wake back to bed method is a secret weapon for those looking to have lucid dreams fast. It's almost like setting a dream alarm but with a twist. By waking up after 5 to 6 hours of sleep, staying awake for about 10 to 30 minutes, then drifting back to sleep, you're essentially slipping back into your REM cycle, the perfect time for lucid dreaming. That small window of waking allows your mind to reset and refocus on the intent of becoming aware while dreaming, which increases the chances of recognizing you're in a dream. Imagine this: it's like hitting pause in a video game, but instead of stepping away, you're preparing yourself for a clearer, more focused experience when you press play again. During those brief minutes awake, many experts recommend meditating or reading something related to dreams, so your mind stays attuned to the idea of lucid dreaming tonight. The goal here is to create a perfect storm for awareness during REM sleep. This technique has been studied and proven to heighten the probability of entering a lucid dream state, especially when combined with other lucid dreaming techniques like affirmations or reality checks. It's important to approach this method with consistency. Some individuals find that they lucid dream on their very first try, while others need a bit more practice. Either way, your chances are significantly higher using the WBTB method compared to trying to lucid dream without any strategy. And while there's no guaranteed instant result, it's one of the quickest and most reliable techniques out there. Try this tonight, and notice how it subtly rewires your sleep patterns to make you more aware of your dream state. 2. Keep a dream journal. A dream journal is your best friend if you're serious about lucid dreaming. It's not just about writing down those strange, fleeting moments from your dreams, it's about training your brain to remember them in the first place. As soon as you wake up, grab your journal and jot down everything you remember, even if it's just fragments. The more you do this, the more you'll notice patterns and recurring symbols in your dreams. Recognizing these patterns is key to realizing when you're dreaming. Think of it like trying to solve a puzzle. Every piece you write down helps you build a bigger picture of your dream world. Over time, you'll notice that your recall improves, and your dreams become more vivid, making it easier to recognize when you're inside one. Studies show that keeping a dream journal significantly increases dream recall, which is the first step toward achieving lucid dreaming. And here's the real kicker: the clearer your dream recall, the easier it is to manipulate the dream once you become lucid. Don't underestimate the power of this simple habit. It's like keeping a map of your subconscious. The more familiar you become with your dreams, the more control you'll have over them. Whether it's a notebook or a dedicated app, what matters is consistency. Start tonight, and you'll be surprised at how fast your dream world begins to open up for you. Keep your journal by your bed so it's the first thing you grab when you wake up. 3. Perform reality checks. Reality checks are like setting little traps for your mind to catch itself dreaming. Throughout the day, make it a habit to question whether you're awake or dreaming. A simple way is to look at your hands, check if they look normal. In dreams, hands often appear distorted or have extra fingers, which is a telltale sign that you're dreaming. This habit, when practiced regularly, will carry over into your dreams, allowing you to recognize when you're in one. It's similar to muscle memory. The more you do it, the more automatic it becomes, even while you sleep. Many people who practice lucid dreaming swear by these checks. Imagine being in a dream, and out of nowhere, you think to yourself, wait, am I dreaming? That's the moment of clarity you're aiming for. Studies have shown that reality checks increase the chances of achieving lucidity because they condition your mind to question its reality. There are endless ways to perform these checks. Glance at a clock. Time often changes erratically in dreams. Try to push your finger through your palm. It won't happen in reality, but in a dream, anything's possible. Or simply ask yourself, am I dreaming? The key is repetition and genuine curiosity. Once you experience that breakthrough moment or you realize you're dreaming, the dream world becomes your playground. Make it a goal to perform these checks consistently, and soon enough, you'll start questioning your reality in dreams too. 4. Use affirmations before sleep. Affirmations are like sending a message directly to your subconscious, telling it what you want to experience in your dreams. Before you drift off, repeat simple phrases like, I will realize I'm dreaming, or I will become aware in my dreams. These affirmations may seem basic, but their power lies in consistency. By reinforcing your intention every night, you're effectively programming your mind to recognize when you're dreaming. It's like planting a seed that will bloom during your REM cycle. Think of it like setting an intention before a workout. You're telling your body what it's going to achieve. In the same way, affirmations prepare your mind for lucid dreaming. According to psychological studies, self-suggestion plays a crucial role in dream awareness. Just like with affirmations in daily life, where you might manifest positivity or focus, the same approach works with dreaming. It's about belief and repetition. Every night you plant that idea, the closer you are to experiencing lucidity. The beauty of affirmations is their simplicity. You can do them anywhere, anytime, and they require no extra effort. The more personal the affirmation, the better. Tailor it to your specific goals. Maybe you want more control in your lucid dreams, or perhaps you're aiming to remember them better. Whatever the case, these nightly affirmations become a gateway to a more conscious dream state. And don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. The subconscious works on its own time, but it's always listening. 5. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is more than just a calming practice, it's a gateway to heightened awareness, which is exactly what you need for lucid dreaming. When you meditate, you train your mind to stay present and observe without judgment. This same awareness can carry over into your dream state, allowing you to notice when you've slipped into a dream. It's like practicing for the big game. You're training your mind to recognize the subtle changes in your environment, even when you're asleep. Studies on mindfulness show that regular practice increases mental clarity and focus, key components for lucid dreaming. The deeper your meditation, the more in tune you become with your thoughts and surroundings, and this heightened awareness makes it easier to distinguish reality from dreams. Meditation is also great for calming pre-sleep anxiety, which often disrupts the dream process. By cultivating this sense of inner peace, you set the stage for a more controlled, vivid dream experience. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily life as well. Pay close attention to the world around you, notice the details, the sounds, the textures. This practice sharpens your awareness, which is crucial for realizing when you're dreaming. The connection between mindfulness and lucid dreaming is strong. The more mindful you are during the day, the more likely you'll be mindful in your dreams. Try it out tonight. Begin with a few minutes of meditation before bed, and notice how it starts to change the way you dream. 6. Use visualization before sleep. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools to induce lucid dreams. Before drifting off, imagine yourself becoming lucid in a dream. Picture the exact moment when you realize, this is a dream. Visualization works by priming your subconscious mind, creating a mental blueprint for what you want to experience. It's like preparing for an important meeting by rehearsing it in your mind first. The more vividly you imagine it, the more likely it is to happen when the time comes. Research shows that visualization techniques activate the same parts of the brain as actual experiences, making them an effective tool for lucid dreaming. By consistently visualizing yourself becoming aware in your dreams, you're essentially guiding your mind to make it a reality. The more detailed your visualization, the better. See yourself looking around, feeling the textures, controlling the environment. These vivid images are what help your subconscious recognize the dream state. The best part? You can start this technique tonight. Right before sleep, close your eyes and picture yourself walking through a dream, fully aware that you're dreaming. Imagine the freedom of controlling your dream world, flying, or exploring new places. The more you practice this, the stronger the connection between your waking and dreaming mind becomes. Don't be surprised if you wake up tomorrow with memories of lucid dreams fresh in your mind. You've just learned the most effective techniques to enter the world of lucid dreaming tonight. Imagine the possibilities that await you, exploring your inner mind, controlling your dreams, and unlocking experiences that feel just as real as waking life. But here's the real question: what are you going to do with this knowledge? Will you take that next step and try these methods tonight? How amazing would it feel to wake up tomorrow with the memory of controlling your dreams for the first time? If you're ready to experience that, then don't wait any longer. Start by practicing just one of these techniques, whether it's the wake back to bed method, keeping a dream journal, or using visualization before sleep. What's stopping you from unlocking the potential of your dreams? Leave a comment below on which method you're excited to try, and share your experiences. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss out on more insights like these. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.